If you've been craving insane bass in your ride without draining your bank account, you're in for a treat. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best 15-inch car subwoofers under $200 that deliver chest-thumping lows, window-rattling power, and pure excitement every time you hit play. From daily drivers who just want clean, deep bass, to hardcore bass heads building monstrous setups, there's something here for everyone. Make sure you stick around until the end, because number 1 on this list is an absolute beast that sounds like it should cost double its price. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future reviews and bass tests. And don't forget, I've left links in the description where you can grab the best deals on all of these subs. And once you are done watching this video, comment with your thoughts on which subwoofer you think I have left out on this list. Now let's get started with our number 5 pick. Starting our list at number 5 is the Kicker 43CVR 1R52 CompVR series subwoofer. This is a 15-inch dual voice coil subwoofer from the CompVR series, engineered with a peak power handling of 1000 watts and RMS handling of 500 watts. It features a tough injection molded cone with 360-degree back bracing that maintains rigidity under heavy loads, ensuring accurate bass reproduction. The ribbed Santoprene surround improves excursion and durability, while the dual 4-ohm voice coils give you flexible wiring options for maximum compatibility with different amps. Its high-temp voice coil design and vented pole piece keep it cool under pressure, making it reliable for extended bass sessions. What makes the Kicker CVR 152 stand out is its classic reputation in the car audio world. This sub is best for someone who wants reliable, punchy bass without overcomplicating things. It hits hard, stays consistent, and is a perfect entry point into high-performance bass, at a price that won't intimidate you. Whether you're a daily driver who just wants every song to feel alive or a first-time bass head upgrading from factory sound, this one's got you covered. The only drawback here is that it won't quite hit the ultra-low frequencies as aggressively as some other subs in this list, but it's still worth it for the clean, reliable performance you get at this price. Coming in at number 4 is the American Bass XO. This is a 15-inch subwoofer that pushes up to 1000 watts of maximum power and 500 watts RMS, giving you a strong blend of volume and clarity. It's built with a non-pressed paper cone reinforced for durability, paired with a high-roll foam surround for smoother cone movement and improved bass response. The 2.5-inch voice coil is made to handle heat efficiently, and the ferrite magnet system provides the necessary punch for hard-hitting low frequencies. With a straightforward 4-ohm impedance setup, this sub is easy to pair with most amplifiers and delivers dependable performance. The American Bass XO 15 shines because of its balance between affordability and sound quality. It's best for bass enthusiasts who want something rugged and consistent without overpaying. American Bass as a brand has a strong underground reputation for giving you raw, old-school bass power without the flashy marketing, and this model is no exception. It's perfect for someone who wants to dip their toes into serious bass territory without feeling like they overspent. One shortcoming is that it doesn't have the highest excursion compared to premium models, but at under $200, the punchy and dependable bass makes it absolutely worth it. At number 3 is the Rockville W15K9D4 car audio subwoofer. The Rockville W15K9D4 is a monster when it comes to budget subs, boasting an incredible 5000 watts peak power and 1250 watts RMS. It comes with a dual 4-ohm voice coil configuration that allows flexible wiring setups. This sub is built with a cast aluminum basket that not only looks premium but also keeps everything stable during intense vibrations. The oversized double-stacked magnet increases efficiency and provides insane bass output. Its ultra-stiff cone, stitched high-roll foam surround, and 2.5-inch high-temperature aluminum voice coil mean it's designed to handle brutal amounts of power without overheating or distorting. The standout feature of this Rockville subwoofer is its insane value for money. With an RMS rating higher than most subs in this price range, it's best for serious bass heads who want their ride to literally shake when they crank the volume. If you're the type of person who wants friends to feel the bass in their chest before they even open the car door, this sub is designed for you. It's aggressive, unapologetic, and built to impress. The only drawback is that it requires a powerful amplifier to really unleash its full potential, but once you feed it properly, this sub is worth every penny. At number 2 is the ORION XTR152D. It's a 15-inch dual 2-ohm car subwoofer rated at 3000 watts max power and 750 watts RMS. It features a high-temperature dual 2-ohm voice coil setup that gives you flexibility in wiring and power handling. The interlaced Cone Spider suspension system enhances cone control and ensures long-lasting performance, while its enhanced voice coil cooling system prevents thermal overload during heavy use. With a rugged build, deep cone, and a motor designed for serious power handling, this subwoofer is all about sustained, clean, and hard-hitting bass. What makes the ORION XTR152D shine is its legacy and performance consistency. ORION has been a trusted brand among car audio enthusiasts for decades, and this model continues that tradition. It's best suited for car audio fans who want reliable daily use with deep lows and hard punches without needing extreme amplifier setups. It's the kind of sub you can rely on whether you're cruising down the highway or showing off at a local meet. The only slight downside is that its RMS rating is a bit lower than some higher-end competitors, but with ORION's build quality and tuning, it's still absolutely worth it. Our best overall pick is the Bonce Machete MF15R D2. It's an absolute beast in the budget category, offering a peak power handling of 2400 watts and 1200 watts RMS. It features a dual 2-ohm voice coil setup that makes wiring simple and flexible. The cone is made from durable materials designed to withstand extreme excursion while still delivering crisp, powerful bass. Its heavy-duty magnet structure and high-roll surround allow for deep, chest-thumping low frequencies, while the voice coil design ensures efficient heat dissipation for long play sessions without distortion. This subwoofer stands out because it brings premium-level performance to a budget-friendly price point. It's best for hardcore bass lovers who want something that feels like it should cost double what it actually does. Bonce as a brand has gained a loyal following for building competition-ready subs, and the Machete MF15R D2 brings that same DNA to the under $200 range. If you want to flex insane bass on a budget, this is the subwoofer you want in your trunk. The only shortcoming is that it may be physically heavy and require a strong enclosure, but the performance makes it more than worth the effort. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 5 15-inch car subwoofers under $200. From the reliable kicker CVR152 to the insane power of the Bonce Machete MF15R D2, each of these subs proves you don't have to break the bank to get serious bass. Which one was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know which of these you'd put in your ride. And don't forget, the links are in the description so you can snag the best deals before prices go up. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more car audio reviews, tips, and bass-heavy content. Until next time, keep the bass rolling and I'll catch you in the next one.